Again, we are sorry about the long ass time between our videos. Hey sparklers, it's your girl Miss Sparkle from the Dora and Sparkle Show. So anyways, I'll be reacting to I Like Trains. I know I'm supposed to be doing the Strange Things About the Johnsons, but that's not going to happen until a while because of technology. And again, I'm so sorry about this. Also, leave in the comments your favorite way of getting around. Mine personally is limo, but you know. Anyways, let's get into the video. It's gonna catch me.
Something wrong with him. I don't know if he's just or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is I like trains.
Oh wow, so he's kind of messed up.
From birth, the I like trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said, I like trains.
Wow, and train is running through the school, killing people. That's just messed up.
They put him on some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the I like trains kid said, I feel great. He got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl who he asked to be his wife. As they stood at the altar and prepared to say the vows, he put a ring on her finger and he said,
Oh damn, killed the bride and everything.
got bad grades? Awkward day.
Oh, it's killing everyone. This is me. Rainbow about it. So that's
I Like Trains, another Aston movie.
So yeah, that was the video. It was very interesting, kind of disturbing, but you know, yeah. Anyways, kisses.